Hi, this is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee, and I'm not usually this responsive to a comment request. I try to get to as many requests for videos as I can, but as it turned out, today I'm doing some more of the FT-65 Operators Series videos where we're going to talk about front panel programming, and one of the things that I need to do to get that done is I need to perform a full factory reset on this radio. Well, oddly enough, this morning I get up and I'm checking the comments coming in on the videos, and there's a guy that his request is pretty simple. He said, I believe in the name of God, he stated, how do I perform a full factory reset on my FT-65? Well, I don't claim to speak for God, but I will show you how it's done. So as you can see here, we've got channels in here. So I'm just doing that to show that this is in fact a programmed radio. So what we're going to do is start by turning the radio off. To get to the set menu that allows you to effect a full factory reset, you need to do a couple of steps ahead of time. What you're going to need to do is, while turning the radio on, you need to hold down the PTT button and the MONI button. So it's a bit of a three-handed operation. I usually find I press it against the palm of my hand here so I can use this finger to actually turn the radio on. And I hold down the MONI button and the PTT, and I turn. Now nothing's going to happen. Then I release, and now we're at that set menu. Now what you're going to do is use the arrow key to scroll down to F4, which is all reset. So let me see if we can get that in camera view there. So we're going for, again, F4, all reset. And at that point we're going to press the F button, which is the button beneath the MONI button. So we press that. It's going to flash. And now we're going to turn this back on, and we are at, see what we have for memories. We have no memories. This thing is at its original factory setting of just a couple of one UHF channel, one VHF channel should be all that's in there. But that's how you perform a full factory reset. So arrowing up and down, I have no memory channels, and I have the beeps are on, and all of the stuff that I normally turn off is now turned on again. So it does look like we are fully factory reset. So again, to recap, to do this, you just simply hold down with the radio turned off. You hold down the MONI button and the PTT. And again, I press that against the hand there. So hold down, turn on, release, go down to F4, all reset, press the F button, which is the button beneath the MONI button. And that resets you to factory default settings. So I hope that answers the question. Hope that helps the guy that so frantically was requesting that information this morning. I'll get this up right away and let you know about it, and then we'll move on to the next video in the Operator Series, where we're going to talk about stealthing your radio out and some other stuff about. Actually, I may have to jump ahead. I may have to actually go to programming the radio for some frequencies. So more to follow. So thank you very much for watching. This is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee, Southwest Visalia, California. Have a wonderful day.